Hi technicians, it's Jen from Draftline, and today we're going to go over how to track an acid cycle. I'm going to make a couple of assumptions in this video. Number one, that you're doing the acid cycle properly, which is first we are cleaning with our caustic solution, rinsing to pH neutral, and then going through our acid cycle. I'm also going to show you the difference between tracking that through a static method and a recirculation method. There are other ways to do it, and there are some service centers that are just running the acid product through the lines at the time of service. As always, I'm gonna shoot for the moon and show you the way that it should be done, and then individually we can make modifications to the process where necessary. Always, you're gonna click regular maintenance when we go into these line cleaning steps. That's the first 4 steps always. If you are using a recirculation pump, you will tick this box. And if you are performing your acid cycle, in addition to that, you will click the first 3 boxes. You would then save at the right, and that will pop you automatically back to our tasks page. So let's go into this and say we're going to override, and we actually are doing a static cycle. Again, first 4 steps are a regular maintenance checkbox. Then we're going to go into static, and then we will click acid as well. And again, saving at the bottom right. One of the reasons why this is so important for our technicians to track properly, and I've never had one technician who hasn't tried to do the right thing as far as tracking on Draftline, but just so you understand, each of these check boxes is broken out into a specific area on our brewery compliance reporting. So whether it's a recirculation pump or the acid cycle itself, all of that is going to a different information box that we're passing on to our brewery suppliers and sometimes to our wholesalers to then have them forwarded on to their brewery suppliers. So regardless of the flow of the information, that's what we're tracking, and it's absolutely vital that you click the correct box based on what you're doing. So if you're a New Belgium wholesaler or cleaning a New Belgium line, you should be using a recirc pump, and you should be doing this acid cycle on a pretty regular basis quarterly. So at the bottom right, again, save. That's going to take us back. Now, preemptively, before we start our acid cycles, we're trying to lay out a calendar for all of our Draftline customers across the country to be on the same cycle that would start actually mid-February. So make sure when you get the alert that says this is happening that you have your chemicals in line, and that means your micromatic acid line cleaner. We want to make sure that you have a good supply so you can get through the next 2 weeks and service all of your accounts with that acid product. Okay, so everybody, if you have any questions, let us know. Talk to your supervisor about having the right chemical product on your vehicle, or in your tote bag, before you head out to that cleaning for those 2-week cycles. And if anybody ever has any questions, please just let us know. Thanks again, and everybody stay safe out there. Bye.